If you've been locked out of your Wells Fargo account and need to reset your login credentials, follow these simple steps to regain access. Step 1. Visit the Wells Fargo website. Go to the official Wells Fargo website using a secure internet connection. Make sure you're on the correct site to avoid phishing attempts. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. On the login page, look for the Forgot Password link. Click on it to begin the process of resetting your login credentials. Step 3. Enter your information. You will be prompted to enter your account information, such as your username or social security number. Fill in the required fields accurately to proceed. Step 4. Verify your identity. Wells Fargo will ask you to verify your identity through a security question or code sent to your registered email or phone number. Follow the instructions provided to complete this step. Step 5. Create new credentials. Once your identity is verified, you will be able to create a new password. Choose a strong password that you haven't used before and confirm it to finalize the reset process. After completing these steps, you should be able to log into your Wells Fargo account with your new credentials. If you encounter any issues, consider contacting Wells Fargo customer support for further assistance.